Eminem is a very successful artist. He's had some successful films. He's done a lot, but I've never seen Eminem be a podcaster.
Some more Housewives news. So Giselle Bryant and Robin Dixon, they are firing back against Eminem. We talked about this a couple of weeks ago, and this is their move to block their reasonably shady podcast trademark application. So according to court documents, they responded to Eminem's opposition of them moving forward and said that they were denied that the Bravo stars denied they were on actual notice of Eminem's prior rights in the names and marks Slim Shady, Shady, and Shady Limited before adopting and seeking to register their name. They denied that Reasonably Shady is identical to Eminem's registered and prior use of Shady. They said their trademark would not confuse people, nor does it suggest Eminem had any role in their project. They're asking that the Patent and Trademark Office sign off on their application. Eminem said that it would cause some confusion, and he has not yet responded. But do you think that Robin and Giselle will get this trademark? Does Eminem own the name Shady?
I think Robin and Giselle have a very good argument. And the reason they keep talking about confusion is that's the legal standard. What is the likelihood of confusion? And, you talked about it because there's two issues. One is shady, right? Does Eminem own the right to shady anywhere and everywhere? Probably not, right? And this is something that's not shady, it's reasonably shady. Obviously, there's a distinction there. And then, when you're talking about that consumer likelihood of confusion, obviously, Eminem is a very successful artist. He's, had some successful films. He's done a lot, but I've never seen Eminem be a podcaster. And, folks, who are looking for what podcast to listen to, are confusing the Reasonably Shady podcast with something Eminem has. So I think they have a very good argument that there's not going to be confusion. This is a completely different genre of art. So if I had to put my money on it, I think the Patent and Trademark Office is going to side with the ladies on this one and not Eminem.
I don't want to be on Eminem's bad side, though. If they were to be denied, can they still keep that name? Would they have to maybe agree to pay him some sort of money to use the name, or would they come to some sort of agreement?
So if there's a dispute, there's actually a court that handles these types of cases. And it's an administrative court that really, where you sort of litigate these trademark disputes. So it starts at the attorney examiner level. If there's an issue, they'll ask if anyone objects to the use of the mark, and that's where sort of Eminem, we got his objection. If there's unable to come to a resolution, there's actually a group of judges that are going to have to decide this. It's not your typical judge and jury that we would see in a criminal or civil case, but there are actually judges that adjudicate these types of trademark disputes.
For more news, content, and exclusive interviews, make sure to hit the sub, like, and bell button down below and visit usmagazine.com.